In this video, we will create text animation in Canva. It will work like this. So let's see the steps how to create that. Open a blank video page, click on Elements. In the search box, search for video. Click on Videos. You can select any video from here. Right click and set video as background. Now add another page. Let's select some other video. Right click and set video as background. Now add another page. Let's select some other video and set video as background. So in this way we had added video to pages. Now click on text, add a heading like this. Click on font and select some font like Anton. Let's place it here. Change its color to white. Click on effects, lift, increase intensity and size from here. Duplicate this and let's change this text and place it here just below the other text that we added earlier. It will look like this right now. So now click on animate, click on shift, click on enter, then select character and select right arrow key in direction. Now select other text and click on shift, select word and direction left side and apply. Now similarly add some text on other pages, like second page we added some text. Select font, let's change its color to white and duplicate this and change this text. Now apply same things on this one as well. Click on animate. Let's select ABC. On enter. Reduce speed. Writing style character. Right arrow key. Now select second text. Click on enter. Reduce speed. And direction is left side. Increase its speed. So it will work like this. Similarly, you can apply on other pages. In this way, we can add text and apply between all pages. Now click on page transition, select dissolve and apply between all pages. Now when you run, it will work like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.